Hello. Okay, this week for my plan with me, I have this kit. I believe I got it at one of the Creative Cleveland Planner meetups. It's by Ruby Red Iris Prints, if I can read it right. Thought it was super cute, lots of little foxies, and it kind of goes with the yellow. So I'm going to use it. By Brianna Nicole Designz. I have a ton of different icons. We'll just kind of go through them. Extra trackers, some appointment boxes, coffee, get crafty. I do PR for her, but she runs sales, so check out my Instagram. That's at Vanessa76. So I post when she has sales and everything there. So I've just got a lot of icons that I use. So I have all those. The clips I have by Something Chic Boutique. I have a CCP Girl one. I thought it went very well. This one I got off a buy-sell trade table. Not a buy-sell trade. At one of the meetups, you know, the D-stash table, this one here. This I got in a goodie bag. So this one's by Something Chic Boutique. And this one, I am not sure, but I like the gold fall leaves. And then these two are by the Felty Depot. Cute little foxy paper clips. So we will go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by, throwing the sticker down where I drop it. We'll put the cute little fox right up here in the corner. And then we have this week. And it didn't have like any, I got a little piece of washi tape stuck to my finger. It didn't have the little check boxes in it. So we'll just put this week, we'll draw us a few little circles here. If I can draw an even circle. And then I think I'll use this lighter one here. I'll just kind of put it in right here. Then we'll write dinner. And then we'll do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll just write those all down. Then we'll use our to-dos. And there is one tracker here. Turning it back upside down. Go ahead and put that tracker in. And I'll flip through my stack here real quick. And I think actually what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lift this one up. And I'm going to use one of the brown ones to break up the orange. Then I'll put the orange one in. And then I'll use another brown one. Because brown is not one of my favorite colors, so it honestly does not come up a whole lot when I'm planning. Alright, so I kind of like this little workout, and I don't necessarily work out, but I do track my steps, so I'm going to go ahead and put the workout down here by this one. And then we'll use, you know, little pill doohickeys for the medication ones. Put a couple little decorations down here to kind of fill in the space. Alright, so there is that. Then I'm going to turn it upside down again, just because I cannot, for some reason it's just easier for me to line stuff up upside down. Probably even then not going to be perfect. So I think I'm going to vary these back and forth. Oops. Just said I was going to vary them back and forth, and I almost just messed up. Funny how your mind wanders. You can be thinking one thing and do something totally different. But I thought this kit was really cute. And fall does start this weekend. I'm not ready for fall. I am a summer girl. Bring back my summer. Alrighty, so this is what we have so far. So, I'll back upside down again. I'll put my work time down here. Since there's no washi, which is okay. And right here on this side, we'll put our weekend banner. Super cute. Alright, so this is what we have so far. So I do have my 2 physical therapy appointments this week. So I've got those Tuesday and Friday. We'll put those in. I do tend to do laundry on Sunday. I think my show has ended on Wednesday. So I'll put this one here because I'm going to start a new movie on Netflix. So maybe I'll find me a series. Then I'll put some little boxes to write something good that happened in. Because I don't think I have a whole lot going on this week. So we will call these Good Day boxes. And I'll do them Monday through Friday because, you know, the weekends always tend to have stuff going on and be pretty good. Oh, I like this coffee sticker. So I'll put it on Monday to go with my Coffee Monday sticker. And then I will save these through the rest of the week if I have anything else come up. I am going to put this little foxy right here. Oh, yes, I almost forgot. I'm supposed to meet my friend Nicole for some shopping and lunch on Saturday. So I'll put that right there. Put some little flowers there because that will be fun.
Alright, so there's what we have so far. Like I said, I'll keep the extra to fill in as I go along. So let's put our icons in. So I do want to, I'll do those after. Sunday, I'm always tired on Monday. Get to do the dishes on Tuesday. Okay. Always shave on Saturdays. Tuesdays and Fridays with my appointment, it makes me feel like I'm busy because I have to go do something. Saturday, like I said, I have lunch with a friend, so it'll be a nice happy day. And I am tired. I'm going to put this cute little green TV right here to mark what I watch. Saturday, gotta take out the trash. And I'm going shopping Saturday, so I'll probably get my groceries on the way home. Thursday, I gotta get some gas. I already got a planner. I love this little Coffee Monday sticker. And since it kind of goes with the theme, we'll go with the orange and the brown for the little medicine trackers. Got a couple cute coffee pots in here. And I got some stuff I'm working on Wednesday. So I'll put that in there for Wednesday. Sunday coffee is always fabulous. Got those in. Thursday is payday. And Saturday evening I wanted to mop. I already got most of those. Got the trackers. Alrighty. So I think that is everything that I wanted to get in here this week. And you know, I always change stuff up or add more as the week goes along. But as of right now, that is my spread. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.